Well, I'm in a 2008 Nissan Xterra, and today I'm going to show you how to add power steering fluid. Let's first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you'll find your power steering fluid reservoir here. And on the side you'll see a max line and your minimum. There's a hot and a cold. Usually in these systems you want to do work on them while they're cold, so you usually go off the cold measurements. But don't fill completely to the top. There is supposed to be some air gap. Double check your owner's manual or good online source that the liquid you've got is the best match for your make and model. But when you're ready, just unscrew this top, and either straight from your liquid jug or with the funnel, just fill as needed to around your full mark, and then screw back on nice and tight. And you should hardly ever have to add to this system, so double check around all your reservoir and all the lines leading to it to make sure there's no leaks or cracks or anything like that. And if there are, that's something you definitely want to get addressed, replaced, or repaired as needed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.